basically, your letters are of two types, formal letters and informal letters. And in informal letters, we have business letters, official letters, and also letter to the editor. Now, let us again look into the format for official letters, how to write an official letter. Now, this was the format that we discussed yesterday. Remember, margin draw di kati na na piece of paper na answer sheet uwa ko na mu paten le kon margin na draw diu margin to remember pencila bo na draw diu. Oh ngano no, since you were absent yesterday, or rather you turned up late, this is why, this is especially for you and all those who did not join the class yesterday. So basically, amasapena hi margin draw hi the first priority hi oh na draw masat pente dio atenle. When you start writing, chilai format hi nahung ki paten leo chun gap ko ide kati chuna zan hi nagel do wam. So 2-finger gap na nakut ni uti naga angap du space na ki koi yeng diu scale ruler ho ko na ni yong leo kun margin ga het na dinga ho na ki koi zi diu chilai sender's address amasa penai sender's address na zi diu hai na sender's address veila nga line ki kai na mu na chi line ki kai to sender's address ki ka hi cho gap di cho. Now sender's address I basically nang address hai na whoever is writing the letter ama address hi di amin zawlo di I address se heading address hi say bang ba cho Manipur ahilo le Delhi se ti a chai the hilo na neu khat question na chu hung ki pezong le phache ahung ki pi lo zong le na ki sep thu wa neu khat line ni address wang na si munga na house number ahilo le area number ahilo le landmark khat ipham khat naga akoi diu aten le town min ahilo le village min ahilo le city min chawang na zi te diu zang petna country min khat ahilo le state min khat se line khat se zi a chai lo di maximum 3 line hi do minimum 2 line address na zi te diu hai na ap azi yong ka sei ta in chi mi khat le khai thot dinga letter khat i thot dinga hi le thangboy from Manipur ta i thot yenga hi le chun there can be many thangboys in Manipur na who is going to be receiving your letter or itiki hedham who is sending that particular letter if in case it has to be replied. So for that purpose, na letter to reply ahung khat to wa hi le ahin thot le na diu mun chu angai cha ja chilai sender's address kitup chana na zi diu. Remember minimum achu 2 line heading, maximum achu 3 lines hi diu. Aba na chu space na koi ke diu sender's address zo le space na koi diu space zo phale date na zi diu date hi format umena chilai DD month year kiti na DD hi 2 digit hi chana 2 digit date na zi diu aban tenle asha amina na zi diu January February ti ako na zi diu 0102 te hoilo January February ti ho na zi tho diu atenle akum na se na zi diu date ta date ko gazi lo diu is all chu na zi ki gen the direct nga chu ipini khu ham ipitha ham ipikum ham chu na zi lu yeng diu aban le space khat na koi ki diu receiver's address kui na thot good ham letter chana ama a designation le designation na masat sa pen diu to the adu da ho chu sei lo di na to ho chu sei ta lo di the principals a designation hai na ipi a hoila ya principal hiam ipi office aham ipi college aham ipi school aham chu aban le hung di line ahung di to the principal tu zau ta lo di the principal na tila the principal ba na comma ko yong umzi ve na lo di I macha lo di format hi velel chu na comma full stop ki ti hi mo lo ve he abula pana chai na gya he. Vivian, do you understand? Why are you raising your hand? Do you have any question? Yes. Of course. Receiver's address na si dito. Chilai, for example, let's take an example. Zanhiyong isay na. Kangpo pia ZEO office ako. Suppose you are going to send an official letter to that office, particular office. Aile, ahilo, forget the ZEO. Let's say Deputy Commissioner letter na thought di tayo. Receiver's address the Deputy Commissioner na tita so na. The Deputy Commissioner to there can be many DCs na. Huilay penaham. Kampu P District na tile Kampu P District so na say nga na. Aban tile Kampu P District Headquarters. Kampu P District Headquarters to Huilaya umam Kampu P District Manipura ume. So na say designation na napat you suppose any random organization ham kada hilawahile association designation beya ithot na umzi na office ho chuchu hi phate na designation zaw down lo follow. However, in most official letters designations hung zaw ma sa pente te na the class teacher, the principal, the editor, the manager, the deputy commissioner, the officer in charge, the superintendent of police. That's amasa pena designation. Kui ham na thought pa so kui muhen na ti ham che letter chu na. Chu na zidi. Aban office chu office til in chu na office in chu huila ya maham address khat nei te te yu he na abana chu address pa chu hung de ne thei wam receiver's address chu chu hin tin. So let's remember yung hi three line te chung hi kit de line 2 mana chai good deal. Abale subject yung hi masanglaya chu SUB dot tihwa is easy na short form is easy na SUBJ kitihong is inumovin. However, tu chunga hi subject hi fulla na zi te dio subject tila subject na zi dio yung SUBJ SUB ta acronym azi ta lo din na full form azi subject to na letter na body anazi din pa to summarize na ball de na in a line or two line cut line ni anazi chai te dio ipzi a letter na thot ham ti pa cho abana salutation hongin salutation is ani nong kasayin. There are many ways of salutation ziding dani. Dear sir, dear madam, dear nahapte, or sir, madam natite. You don't have to be worried about whether hiti designation or hiti office ato chu numehidham pasal hidham chu. You don't have to worry about that na. We will as numehid paha pasal sir kasi iti paha madam kasi iti paha ta aboyang noomzive na. I received K2, for example, principal ham kat hingkating ahilawal, officer ham kat hileng. Ni kanin letter kat in thought, then official letter kat in thought pa din dear sir inti yung kalunghang thay lo he na di mo lo he jitu di to he na tip mo lo he kui mayosi in kui hiding to ahead so ahedi ipon na jitu whichever dear sir dear madam question na who exam dung ten question 10 kun nume dana ahung kisaya hile jon hinge dear madam dear miss ti ho kisay nante alo pasalam khat he kityala dear sir ho ti the hinay na. However, the manager of this bank that bank ti yung manager ho nume yung mai the pasalong mai the he na kaya chin lo hi za so ho hi patin na day pen naman the he salutation nong hi comma in a follow loading zan hi nong kasayin comma load cho dear sir abana comma ti pa ko ball load si ese cho line khana na zi ding line khana na zi chai ten anuya cho space na koi pai ding space na koi zo ten la body anong lu de na body pa hi nakipat pat le chun to the point na lu yeng di kamtin say loading zang pe na ipiham na day ipiham na thum nom I lol ipi na head sa anumam ipi information na convey good ham I lo wale what are you asking that particular office to do for you, or what kind of information do you require from that particular office so yo si cho naziding abale the body section is ani nong kasayin a maximum ahin 3 paragraphs in zivin katina. Remember that asawala nobody has time to read your long lengthy letter, so make it short. Maximum 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraph kati yung paragraph khat so hat ta le line tum line li kal hidi lo he asaw ta ti na hidi pwe aban le achai na pe na chu subscription or your signature. Subscription chu abula chu amin na zi ahile receiver's address ho amin ham khat na zi wa ahile achai na langa chu yours sincerely na tidiu amin wa zaw lo wa ahile yours faithfully na tidiu yours yang chu yours hidina your apostrophe s to d low. It is incorrect. yours na tido abo na chu left langa align na ball view. However, align na ball wang wa chu margin na draw wa pa na chu 2 finger gap na koi te yu. Zanin aziyong kasi na official letter ho hi office kanin receive a ball pattern le chun acknowledge a ball ngai he na wilam khana ipipiham azi lut ngai hin azi lut na ding space chun na pi ngai he. So here we will also follow up with exercises. You'll perhaps understand better. And then yesterday I did mention one little thing here. In case na letter to page kananan zi chai but lo wa na. You need not worry. Continue it on the next page very easily. Na boy lo. Aten le chilai margin draw ding dan chu kaga aseyin. So hi tile nazi ilawong la boy di ipoye na ay wanga chu ile khazi ucho mark a wedding pa chun mark tamta ipi theina di wa chu kizi a hi na akitup chit na hil enyong le khai check den oza khat hi na chu chi cha chu azi hoita ve ale khazi chu athip lo wangin athing sit ni kitup chit ni full mark ki pezing he no iti nom kum yo me na china dinga chu bonus point trick he che. Now today, let us further learn about informal letters. This is a format for writing informal letters. Informal letters, kihit tayo na. Formal letters to is also format to hitan. Min ko even lang. Informal letter pa hi. A whole different format hitai. Can you all see the screen? Chilai chil tamta kizi lo na. Subject lo ba hiyo chilai sender's address kinena akipat na chu iso ang sender's address akipan na he official letter pa formal letter yung sender's address akipan na ay wanga veleo what do you see any difference here? Kumilal. Do you see any difference? Basically, sender's address is now shifted to the right. Right lang tay. And date yung angay nga hiding, however, amun se kitso na heveleo chun right lang ga ki kwaiso kay ta na. Ji top right na paper o top right lang ako na ding mun hi. To ba nga look at this. Na paper hitaye na. Suppose you're supposed to write an informal letter. Now, when you begin the informal letter, your sender's address and your date will come this side. Top right hand corner hina. Sender's address hung hintin, sender's address songs angay huilay ko na hung kitot na ham. What number 6? Kampu pi tila hizing na. Anuya to space tam khat naga ding aban la anuya to ipihung dam date ipinihua na ziham. And after finishing that part, abang bang huna. I see you all previous class watching the mistake no mucho. Hilanga hi sender's address na zi tao cho date na zi tao cho same alang sa nga hi salutation na nagapat ziu cho hilai ki ka hi ong di ta empty hi dita ne theiwam chong ning ne theiam ning ten ni mur khat tau tai ning ten anyways ano ne min sai picnic abang ying. Anyways, look. Na page hi chilang sang na zi uwa hile chilang sang empty diti ne hai hi ta langa hi naga zi gut te zi chu hilanga na zi za chu gap chilanga na hen diu bala noi lang ze mai nong ke pat diu he na te na wam chung hin tin sender's address and date is on the right. Remember that. Right after that, towards the left lang salutation. Chilai salutation. He remember informal letter he na family na friend ho na thought hin. Dear sir, dear madam, tila chu nanu na pa na loy na goal ho to sir madam iti la boy tho wacho na. Chia chu dear ni hoy kim. Nei hoy kim na tiyong lo ho ta lo na. Ay lo vale dear hu min lal min it's okay. I'd like to advise you all to be free when you're writing informal letters. Na day na zi te to people language na day naman te tayo na. Official awang su bebhar au min na nasanga lin khat in stature yung lin khat na ho patin na zana na piingay hin ay wang informal letter at so zana itiong le zana umpoiti naman hilaw ahiwa nga ipaw mandan so hung kihezep zihin chahi chilang sang pahi nanup language naman te salutation now here. Suppose you're writing a letter to your parents. Dear mom, my dearest mom, my dearest mother, my beloved mother natiyong natitay na ahilaw le naloy ho kale my dear friend Vivian gati ko ngai samzi lo na nati no mo le nati the chilaya yung hi koma te umlo de he koma mo umlo vai tai hai hi win aban le anuya chu body na pat dio body hi I like to thikha ga seleng over the past I don't know how many years since I've been teaching I've often come across the first line of the body go like this. How are you? Hope you are fine. Letter ha ki pat no me na. Informal letters yosi. How are you? He's okay. But nahon wang temkhat chilai ka chuni hialuwin na. Invigilator ho, examiner ho yung kon a check pat ten le examiner ho. Hop gamutay. How are you? Ang kipas. Chisong how are you? Hikit kumsom valta. How are you? Sizi na layo na tidiu he na. Sa body ekipat pat paten le chun adang na say theo he na. Aban le body section hi chiyong hi paragraph ni le thum ho ana ki chai the he aban le na dei de na zi du questions in ipi boli na tiam exam na pass thu na loi nu ko ma sei na tiam ai lo wa hi le na loi pa ham khat ko ma holiday ana chi handing thu sei ati question it asay dung zu ya chu na bol diu he. That is that, and whatever the question has asked you to do, you write it down in the body section, and basically 2 to 3 paragraphs ana chai the na masa pena chinge ma chungchang thu them khanaga do no na do the na ban tele second paragraph. By the time you reach a second paragraph, purpose of the letter chuna thut te ngai tai oi pizia chi letter chuna thoram and a message na convey te do chai na lang te lan chun le looking forward to lang a message na ga azile he. See, we will learn as we go as we go and practice, and we will be looking at a few questions in the coming classes. So that is the body section, and at the end na chai na lang ay right side na signature na bol signature ay subscription na de he. Naloy hi ay your loving friend kitihoy ki mangzi na ay lo yours truly kitihoy choto bang hi informal letter a ki mang hi formal aju yours sincerely, yours faithfully tihoy mangwin. Informal letter pa hi yours truly, yours lovingly, your loving friend, your loving son, your loving daughter tihoy ki mang na. Chituna say use subscription ajo aban la noya jo namin no naga azidio na namin se se obailam te namin choi te choi naga tiong la kholo lumin thang la thang boy na tiong la kho talo atele receiver's address are here left langa na hung kile ki view nang address ai poina chi na thot na ding pa address we have na thot na nu na pa na thot na hi le jon huila ya cheng wam na address jo maybe you don't live together, or maybe question ho kun nang hi Delhi ale kasim na hi Shillong ale kasim na hi ti ho sei nom jimin na cho hintin ng address na thought din pa address to receivers address laya na zidi. And that pretty much is an informal letter. Do you have any questions? Please unmute yourselves and raise questions now.
Itu ay about the line ki kai jong chu koi kit ham.
Na day na koya ahila hoy di he na. Jutili ki tup chit chet he zo ka say banga chu. Chong hi margin ahi wanga na he chipa hi iso a 2-finger margin na koy du he kati pa chu nagyal do chu na formal letter pa chipa hi na koy ungai talo. Oh. Ima cha ngai talo chila phenga na ji diu hi. Khat pa bo chu margin chi margin na kai the he na. Line margin hi pencil na draw diu. Ahi wanga chu space koi ngai talo left right spacing ima cha ngai talo. Oh. This is an exemplar question from the past previous year HSLC exam. Consider these two as your home assignment. The first is a type of informal letter and the second one is a type of formal letter. It is a letter to the editor. For your home assignment, kindly do these two questions. The first, Jenny of Winnow Market of Ukhrul district writes to her sister, Mayo now studying in modern school, Barakhamba Road in New Delhi, to make her aware of the present day competitiveness and to work hard to fulfill her dream. This is a type of informal letter. Format, ikihilut sumanguvin lang, hichipahi khat hinzi uvin lang, abanle. Second question pa hi, you are Sanahal of Thangmeiban Lorung Pure Lekay. Nang chu nang ni lo tayo, nang Sanahal ni di tayo. Ne address yung akipain chilahin. Abale, you have to write a letter to the editor of Hot Tea Daily. Chi newspaper ham khat hile kilomin. Cha editor pa ko mahi, editor nu ko mahi. Letter na zidi ipinasay ham tile. Highlighting the deteriorating standard of living in Imphal city by the fast increasing population. Population asan si achu a living standard nen che hilo le no che a boy ho ti ho chana seya che editor pa Hot Tea Daily newspaper editor pa na thona na problem chana explain de he formal letter hi de na format iki hilo chu manguvin lang and then finish these two questions as your assignment and you will submit it when you are asked to.